ID na natin. Dito pala yung ID. Ito natin ma-report ito kasunod.
Mic test 1, 2, 3, mic test. Mic test 1, 2, 3, mic test. Okay! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat! And once again, welcome indeed to our most awaited competition for today. Welcome everybody to SMBC District at Win. Kung saan ginagawa natin ngayon ang high-flying competition. So to all of you guys na nandito kami in front of you guys. Alam ko, yan pala such a good day and good weather. For kayo, balik naman ang palakpakan dyan, everybody! Okay, yan ang gusto mo. Kung kayo ang mananalo sa competition today, kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, give us your energy because today is all about you guys. With that being said, first and foremost, I would like to let you guys know that our arrangement for the competition today would be, once again, first is our flat kites, next would be grill, third would be the 3D kites that we have here, okay? So yan tayo na yung mga sarili niyo for us to begin with our competition. Pero bago ang lahat, may ipapakilala ako sa inyo, a well-esteemed and remarkable woman here with me. Ladies and gentlemen, and to everyone around here on the field, palakpakan naman natin none other than the cluster manager, Miss Lorraine Aves! Palakpakan naman dyan, everybody, for the opening remarks.
Good morning, everyone! Hello! Good morning! Is everyone ready? Hello! Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Wind Residences here in Tagaytay. So we are very excited to welcome everyone to our first ever kite flying competition. I am elated to see families and friends together, gathered together to celebrate artistry, craftsmanship, and community. Some are even from Pampanga, Manila, and Cavite. Thank you for joining us today. So we're very excited to welcome everyone. I've seen all of your guides so far, and they're all very creative. We're very excited to see all of this in the sky. So this event is actually brought to us by SM Superpalms, SMBC, and Kite Association of the Philippines, led by Mr. Eduardo Fausto, Board of Director, and then Mr. Morley or Mr. Fernando Ocampo, President, and also would like to acknowledge one of the judges, Ms. Janet Al-Ala. So thank you, everyone. Let's have fun today. Let's enjoy under the sun, look up in the sky, and enjoy the different colors of the kites. Thank you and welcome to SMBC Wind Residences Tagaytay.
Thank you once again, Miss Lorraine. Palakpakan naman dyan, guys! Okay, so, eto naman. Alam ko kayo sabi ko yung simula. Pero ngayon, sasabihin ko muna sa inyo, ano yung mga mapapalagpalan niyo sa competition na ito? So, first and foremost, let me explain firstly ang ating criteria for judging. Okay? So, bago yan lahat, ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang ating today. I-explain ko naman yung mechanics for our competition. First and foremost, for the judging criteria, we have ground judging. 40% to na ikabubuo ng total score ninyo. Craftsmanship is 20%, structural design is 20%, at aerial judging, 35% for characteristic and aerial impact is 25%. At ngayon naman guys, handa na ba kayong malaman kung ano ang magpapalulunan ninyo? Okay. Sige. Handa na ba kayo? Palakpakan naman dyan! Okay, may energy naman pala lahat eh. Alright, so, 4-hour, nililipat ang papel ko. 4-hour, Gurion Kite category, we have top 5 placers. At ang premyo ninyo, kung makapasok kayo sa top 5 ay 4,000 pesos each. Ngayon, for our second prize or second runner-up, you will be winning 15,000 pesos. O, diba? At ngayon naman, for our first prize for Gurion Kite, if kayo ay meron uuwing 20,000 pesos. At ngayon naman, para sa flat kite category, for top 5 leaders, you guys will be winning 3,000 pesos each. Second prize for flat kite category naman ay 6,000 pesos. Now, for our first prize flat kite category, you will be winning 10,000 pesos. At eto na, para sa 3D figured kite category, tingnan nyo naman sila. Para sa amin, top 5 leaders, 6,800 pesos each. At para naman sa second runner-up or second prize of the 3D figured kite category, makakuha kayo ng 20,000 pesos. At finally, for our grand winner, or first prize of 3D figured kite category, mananalo kayo ng 30,000 pesos. Okay? Now, don't worry, meron po tayong special awards later on. The round's favorite, kaya importante yung audience impact, 1,300 pesos. And the most colorful is 2,500 pesos. Most unique design is 2,500 pesos. And highest flyer, pinakamataas na makakalipat ng kanilang kite ay makakanalo ng 2,500 pesos. And of course, early bird ang pinakaunang dumating dito sa